Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1100 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to try out this Dr. Lipp CBD Calm Balm. So I love the brand Dr. Lipp. They make 100% natural products that are just so multi-use, amazing. So I've tried out on my channel already. They're a 3-pack of kind of tinted balms, so I can have that video linked in the description down below if you want to see it, but I love those. They're beautiful for the lips, the cheeks, the eyes. They say multi-use skincare. Where you apply it is your business. And so this says it's for extra dry chapped lips and bits with 50 milligrams cannabidiol oil. That's a really hard word to say. I don't even know how to pronounce that. But basically like cannabis oil. It's flavor and fragrance free and made from only 2 100% natural ingredients. And this just sounds like what I need. I have just been so desperately dry these days. I feel like the past 2 weeks, pretty much, my skin just completely dried out and it's been a real struggle. My lips are very dry, but that's not even the driest part. My chin is just so incredibly dry right now and I don't even really know why. Also, my eyelids have been really dry. I've had eczema breakout on my eyelids for the past few months. So I'm hoping that this product can help. It sounds like it will. It says it's supposed to help sore, sensitive, or chapped skin anywhere. It can soften dry cuticles and calluses, help soothe psoriasis. It's good for after the sun. It'll soothe sore noses. It'll calm dry, irritated skin. And the 2 ingredients are lanolin and cannabidiol. And this retails for $13.50. But I do want to mention that this was sent to me for free from Dr. Lipp in PR a little while ago. This is not a sponsored video, but thank you so much to Dr. Lipp for sending this to me. It sounds like it's going to really save me. So the packaging on this is cute. Here is what that looks like. All right, and so I'm gonna start out, love that it has a squeezy tube, by applying this to my lips, which are definitely pretty dry right now. I love the texture of this. It's nice and thick. It feels like it kind of melts because when you squeeze it out, it's like a pretty solid product that's kind of hard to squeeze out. Then it immediately melts into the lips and immediately hydrated my lips as well. Like, wow, my lips are looking immediately smoothed out, completely hydrated, no dryness anymore whatsoever. And I really do like that shine. Ooh. So this is definitely a fantastic hydrating lip product. But now I'm gonna squeeze out a little bit onto my fingers and see if I can apply it to where I'm really dry. Also like here on my eye. I mean, it looks a little bit funny on my eye just because it's so shiny, but maybe for like overnight to just really hydrate my eyelids. It definitely doesn't feel irritating at all. Like it doesn't leave any tingliness, it doesn't leave any feeling. So it seems like a really nice product to put on those sensitive areas. Also gonna try applying it here on my chin, which is really dry. I really like the feel of it. It seems like it's gonna be really hydrating for these areas because it's nice and thick too. Gosh, even my nose right now is dry. I think I need to get a humidifier because just need to add some hydration into my skin. And I feel like I'm just applying nonstop products. Like, I need to take it up a notch even more. If you have any tips, let me know. But I am loving this. It really does seem so soothing to my extremely dry lips and skin. But I just love that this is all natural, 2 ingredients, yet so effective and so good. Like, I'm gonna be using this non-stop. It's so great, and I highly recommend it if you like natural products, if you have very dry skin anywhere, dry lips, dry patches, any of those uses that I read off. I also just love the packaging on this. It gives so much great information, but it has great humor. Just love this brand. I'm like almost surprised that it doesn't feel like anything on my eczema, because I've even been using like eczema friendly, like sensitive moisturizers on my eyes lately, and those have been burning and itchy and uncomfortable. And this feels like nothing. It's not at all irritating. And I'm just like so relieved, because it's been a struggle. It really has been. And this is staying in place because it's got this kind of stickiness to it, which I like. It's nice and thick. It's so comfortable. So this really seems like the product that I need and have been looking for. I'm definitely going to continue using this, and you'll probably hear an update from me on how this has been working for my eczema, my skin. Hopefully I'll be done with my eczema and dry skin soon, thanks to this product and any other tips that you can give me. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.